So 5-2 is a little different. We're not copying and pasting anything. We are actually uploading a Microsoft Word file and then converting it to Google Docs. Okay? I'm on my home page right here, and it says upload and convert a document. So I go to my formatting directions. And in my formatting directions, on the first thing, it says on the 126A home page. Okay, so I've got to go back to my home page, right-click the Word document 5-2, upload and convert a Microsoft Word file. So let's do that first. Coming down here, I'm looking at, here it is, 5-2, right underneath. So I'm going to right-click this document, and then come down to Save Link As. Now, it may say Save File As, depending on the browser and if the operating system. I'm going to click on that Save Link As, and this is a Chrome browser and Windows 8. Okay, it's 5-2, upload and convert, and it's asking me, where do you want to save it? So once again, I'm going to save it to the desktop, and I'm going to refer to the desktop as that's where I'm comfortable saving things, because then I know what I've been immediately working on, and they're easier to find and delete, etc. But that's my own personal strategy. Okay, so I've got 5-2, upload and convert, and I'm going to save it. So I know I've saved it to the desktop. I look up to my bar up here, and I know that's where I've saved it. I click on Save. Notice it also shows up at the bottom of my browser. Okay. Now it has a switch to the Google Drive tab. Okay, we still have the remnants of our old 5.1. Now it gets a little trickier here. We're going to click the Settings button. Now this is Settings over in Google Drive. And to go down to our upload settings and make sure to confirm settings before each upload. Notice I've already checked it by clicking on it. If I check this one, convert uploaded files to Google Docs format, it will do that automatically. In this case, we're going to prefer to keep a Microsoft Word format as well as whatever we decide to change it into eventually. Okay, it's like, for example, in 5.1 we have the Google Docs format as well as the Word format. So we can start working, upload a Word format in 5.1, convert it to 5.1 in Google Documents, and be able to make all kinds of changes, but knowing that we always have that original Word file. Okay, in this case, I'm going to make sure this is checked, confirm settings before each upload. Okay, and we'll see how that plays out. So I click Upload, which is the next step, step 4. And I'm going to upload that file again. Okay, I go back to my desktop. There it is, the 5.2, upload and convert a Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to open that. Okay, now here's where I can also convert the document. I can convert text from PDF and image files to Google Documents. Or in this case, I'm just going to start the upload. Okay. So now I get another document. It says upload complete. So I have this 5-2. Now this brings us into another environment. This is called the Google Docs Viewer. It will look at other documents from other programs, and it's a way that you can have some control. You have a toolbar up here. You can open it with Google Docs. You can print. You can share it in this form. You can download it, and there's more actions as well. You can zoom in and get more details about this document. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to convert at this point. I'm going to click on Open with Google Docs. So now what it's doing, it's converting it. The reason I did it here, rather than when we initially uploaded it, it keeps a copy. So we have Word 5.2 and Word 5.2. One in a Google Documents format and one in a Microsoft Word format. we'll also see that reflected in my drive. See, we have the 5.2 with the Word document and 5.2 with the Google Documents format. Now, take a look. And against the key, and what the key is going to show is the screen capture. Now I'm going to take a screen capture just of this right here, but I'm going to see that in your Unit 5 folder when you share that with me. So in your Unit 5 folder, what I want to see is this same document. We didn't make any changes to it, but we have two documents, a Word format of 5.2 and a Google Documents format of 5.2. So check that against the key that your Google Drive has both of these elements. Okay.